setting powder. I'm going to be using it to set my face before I can go in my liner, lashes, mascara and other things. This will help me to save my makeup from getting spoiled and also ruin it. My liner by Carite, and this is my liner brush. I'm going to be lining my eyeshadow and under my eye as well. Before you go in, please wear your foam, and in between your two eyes, that's how you get your wing liner. Don't be in a haste. One. After you are done marking, you count down and take it slowly. Do the same thing here. After you are done drawing your upper liner, the next is your down liner. On your eyelid, please. When you're done with your liner, the next thing you go with your mascara. You must do this part before you put your lashes. And if you're the type that have good lashes and you don't really like going with artificial lashes, you can as well just apply your mascara and do your lipstick and your makeup is set. This is it. After this, the next is your lashes. This is the lashes I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be taking one of it. So this is the lashes. It's a cat eye lashes. This place is small and this place is long. This is it. So I'll be putting my bond on it. When you are putting bond, please just put at the tips of the line of the lashes, sorry, at the tips of the lashes. Okay, to get this done, remember the lashes is a cat eye, so the longer side stays here and the shorter side stays here. That's how it goes. And I would advise, if you can't get your lashes fixed during the makeup, I would advise you get your lashes done before you do your makeup. But that's the best. If not, because I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fix lashes, part of the thing. Honestly, I'll get my lashes done before doing this makeup. I find it difficult to fix my lashes. So, but if you can do it and do it perfectly well, that's fine. But if you want it easy, the best is get it done before your makeup. It's not a must you're going to use cat eye lashes. It's not a must. You can use normal lashes depending on you. I love this type of lashes and that is why I went on to fix it. So after fixing this one, I'll go in with this one too. Like, sometimes I will first place it. So it's done. So if you can do, if you're going to find it difficult to do this and going to mess up your eyeshadow or your work, the best is just fix your lashes before the actual makeup.